the name of Allah, the most precious and merciful. Respected and honorable teachers, hello, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Do you know who am I? Never mind, meet myself. I am Aram in front of you. And my dear friends, today I wanna call my pillar. Do you know my pillar is very good speaker and she speaks very well and so I wanna say to you that you should also listen to her and I wanna call her name. Do you know who is she? Yeah, you don't know and I wanna call my pillar and my pillar name is Umme Kulsum. So please Umme Kulsum come on the stage and my dear friends, big your hands together for her.
Hi friends. How are you? I am also fine, thank you. Respected sir and present all my dear friends. Hello, good evening to all of you. Do you know who am I? Never mind, meet myself. This is Umme Kulsum in front of you and I am schooling from S plus 2 High School Kasmar. And I like punctual, docile, active and honest person, but I don't like liars as well as bluffers. Do you know what is my topic? My topic is caste system. Because we because since we are knowing that caste system was going on ancient time, and in this time caste system is going on, but and in caste system is a very harmful in our country and in our life. But first of all I would like to say that what is a caste system. Caste system means people are divided by supporting one, that known as the caste system. So caste system is a very harmful in our country, because we are hearing that ancient time lots of people lots of people divided. It is and people divide by supporting one, and lots of people divide for type. First Brahman, Kshatri, Shudra, and and uh, and West. But we are knowing that it is very harmful in our country. But lots of people think that Brahman has burned by mouth of Vishnu, and people think that Kshatris have burned by supporting by by supporting a soldier of Vishnu, and and people think that Vest is burned by supporting a thigh of Vishnu, and it is very harmful in our country. And we are knowing that lots of people think that Sudra is untouchable in our society and in our country, and people think that Sudra have a divided by supporting a foot of Vishnu. But it is very harmful in our country, because we are knowing that it is going on instant time, and we are knowing that lots of foreign country of people had come in our country, due to reason that in our country is divided into four parts. First Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, Sudra. But it is very harmful in our country, because lots of people think that only one Brahman can deliver in our monthly, and any people don't any people can't deliver in our monthly. But it is very harmful, because we are knowing that lots of people have more and more talent, and any people can deliver in our monthly. So it is very harmful. It is very harmful. I would like to say that, because lots of people thought that Chhatri only one make king. But it is very harmful, because any people can be king. Can be king. So it is very harmful in our country and in our society. After that I would like to say West, because lots of people think West is a very only one West can business, and any people can't business. So it is very harmful. And after that I would like to say, because West, because we are knowing that Sudra, because lots of people think that Sudra is untouchable, and it is and only one they can burn animals. Only one he sees they are a servant. But it is very harmful, because any people can't servant, because lots of people is same. So it is very harmful in our country. But in this time we are knowing that in our country is freedom 50 August and 1947, 1947. But even then in our country is a freedom. But lots of people is lots of people is untouchable. Due to this, and lots of people divided four parts, four parts. But it is very harmful in our country, because we are know that in this time lots of in this time lots of people is more and more talented. But in this time lots of people have lots of people have a thing that lots of people think that it is only one Sudra only one Sudra is Sudra or servant, but it is very harmful in our country, and it is the effect in our country, because we are not in this time our country is undeveloped. Due to this, lots of people is untouchable, because untouchability is very harmful, because lots of people have a more and more talent, and any people can do something, so it is very harmful in our country. So thank you.
Thank you, Kulsum. You spoke very well, Taz, August, and mind blowing. And my dear friends, whatever she spoke, that was right, because we are knowing that our country have four types of the religion is divided into four parts, and Brahman, Vishnu, Shudra, and you know what is